But wherever birds gather, so do their predators. Black falcons take up residence, confident that each day food will land right on their doorstep. But thirsty budgerigars give them a run for their money. Budgies can perform some of the fastest maneuvers of any bird. They are so skilled, they even sneak in a drink between attacks. It drops like a stone just before the grab. Again it falls, just out of reach. Turning on a dime, it outflies the falcon time and time again. Despite their best efforts, the falcon and his partner go hungry. A waterhole gives the budgies a break from wandering, but once the local grasses have been plundered, the huge flocks will split into small roaming parties once more.